Hello everyone, this is the time to read one poem, Whistle Away. Students, we have seen many people around us whistling. The whistle can be for giving some warning, or if somebody wants to sing a song and maybe he's not a good singer, so he can, at least whistle the tune. Or the whistle can be for instructions, like for exercise, you can give the signals. So, in this poem, the poet dives into the beautiful memory lane of his childhood after watching a young boy. Let's begin this poem. Whistle away, my merry boy, with happy face and heart of joy. If it will help you to be so strong, whistle a tune when things go wrong. And whistling lightens it for you, if ever your task is hard to do. The poet here is suggesting or telling the boy to whistle with happy face, and the heart should be filled with joy. Why he's telling? He's telling that if anything goes wrong, if you do something wrong, so this whistling will help you to stay strong. And also, if you find some task is very difficult, or if you feel stressed, then this whistling will make you feel lighter, will make you feel stress free. Second stanza. Whether it be sowing the seeds, hoeing the corn, or pulling weeds, gathering fruit or raking hay, or driving cows, whistle away. Whistle a tune if you can't sing, and that should seem the next best thing. Now in this stanza, poet is telling the boy the tasks which are very difficult to do. As we all know that in farming is not an easy task. So in farming we have to sow the seeds, and then hoeing the corn means we have to cut the corns. We have to do harvesting also using the tool hoe, and we need to take out the weeds away. We need to do so many things like gathering fruits, or like gathering hay, or taking cows out for eating grass. So for doing all such activities which are so which needs ask for so much of labor, so for doing such difficult tasks, the boy can just whistle away and make him feel happy and lighter. Whistle a tune if you can't sing, and that should be seen next best thing. So the poet says here, the best thing is when you are burdened with such tasks, the best thing for you is to just whistle away. If you are not able to sing, if you are not if you find maybe you are shy, or maybe you feel that your voice is not so good, you at least whistle, because everyone can do whistling. That you can do, perhaps it will cheer the hearts of some who chance to hear. Better to whistle than to pout, and scold and fret no one can doubt. Again, the poet says in this line that maybe this whistling will cheer you, and the better thing is than to pout or make angry faces or scold someone or be upset. So you just whistle away, and no one even will doubt about you that you have such tedious tasks to do. So the whistling is whistling, and it will make you feel cheerful also. So keep a merry heart, my lad, and thus make other people glad. Do all the good you can each day, and as you toil, whistle away. So the poet is saying here to the boy that keep your heart happy, and so when people will see you, they will also feel very happy and glad. Do all the good you can each day, and every day you do whatever good you can do, and as you toil, whistle away. And whenever you feel very tired or very overburdened, just do simple one thing, whistle away. That's all in this poem. Hope you liked it.